welcome to Debbie's Delights and Merry Christmas! So today is my husband's birthday. Happy birthday, Michael, we love you. It's a tradition on his birthday that we make a red velvet cake, but I don't have enough red food coloring, so we're making a green velvet cake. So cross your fingers, but it'll be good. Let's start baking here. So I have 2 springform pans. These are 10 inches. It'd be better if you used an 8 inches, but I don't have any 8 inches, so we're using 10s.
That's what she said.
But we're gonna spray it with good old Pam. I'll tell you what, it works like a charm. And then what we gotta do is take our cake batter, put a little in there, and put the rest in the bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it around, just like that. So this makes it a whole lot easier for the cake to come out. And then we're gonna pound those suckers to get the rest out. Okay, there's one. And then here goes 2. I'm so happy to be back to see you guys. I've missed doing this. Okay, go in there. Now, of course, we gotta start with a mess. So let's get this off. Now we got our 2 prepared bake pans. So we'll stick them over here. And we'll clean this off. And what we're gonna do is start with 1 box of butter cake mix. And to it, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. And again, I like to use the Mexican vanilla. I don't know why, but it's just like, it's got something to it. So any little Mexican convenience stores or bakeries or whatever, hopefully you can find, or hopefully you can just go to Mexico and get it. But I highly recommend it. And then 1 cup buttermilk. This is the most disgusting milk on the world, but it sure is good in a cake. So 1 cup of buttermilk. And then we are going to do 1 stick of butter. This has been sitting out for hours and it's still not very... I'm going to stick it in the microwave for a second. Just a second. 1, 2... I need to soften it a little bit. But you don't want it to melt, just soften it. So we'll do 10 seconds and we're... Cancel. Good. Okay. Oh, good. Now it's softened. So 1 stick of butter. And then we need... So next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Do that in 1 tablespoon of cocoa. 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon. No, it's got to be tablespoon. Teaspoon, I guess. Oh, this is so funny. You know what this is? This is a recipe from a church cake lady recipe book. So if a church cake lady puts a recipe in a cooking book, you know it's got to be good. Because they like to show off. 1 tablespoon baking soda. I didn't mean it like that. I mean they like to put their very best recipes in there so everybody knows they can cook.
I think you mean shake the camera.
Okay, 1 teaspoon baking powder. And I am going to start to mix this up. Sorry, this gets a little noisy. This is my $20 blender from Walgreens. You know, play with it. Get it in there. Okay, you ready? Oh, it's 3 eggs. So I already cracked the eggs and beat them up. Let's get everything in there. So far this is looking like a tan-colored cake. Colored cake. want is 11 ounces of food coloring. And like I said, this is going to be green. So cross your fingers that it turns out green and not brown. This stuff is always like so much fun to get out. Here's one. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Hey, Michael. You want to come over here to help?
Let's have a guest appearance for the
Guest
birthday.
appearance for the birthday boy. Get that brownie out of your mouth. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank
I love
you.
This is Michael. He's my baby.
Get cooking, woman.
Here, help. Squeeze.
Oh.
Squeeze, squeeze. I think you dropped something.
You do.
Like a lid. Oh, it's crazy. Okay. You get it?
Nope.
Oh, the pain, huh?
Yeah, this is above my pay grade.
Here, let
I
me
think
do
I
it.
probably dropped one of these.
No, you just dropped the lid. What? Why did this come out? Well, screw it. Okay. We're done. That's enough. Ready? Oh, it is green! Ah! Merry Christmas! Oh, bye-bye. Look, look, look! It's green. Okay, here we go. That's rich green. That's like gorgeous. So preheat the oven to 375. I had to take my baking stone out because I can't fit both of my pans in there, but let's fill these guys up.
No baking stone.
No baking stone. Oh, where's this thing? This is not going to be as high as a normal red velvet cake because the pans are a little too big, but that's all right. It'll still be good. They're just so green. That cracks me up. Well, we're going to have a really skinny cake, I tell you that already. We've had those before. We're going to take some batter out of here. Come on, batter. Go in there. Why is that skinny mini? Okay. So we're going to bake these for about 40 minutes. And then in the meantime, we're going to make the icing. So into the oven we are going. Right into. Well, let's make some icing. So we're going to take 1 stick of softened butter, put it in there, and here's 1/8 ounce of softened cream cheese. And the church lady said to use 1/8 ounce, but Debbie's going to use 2 ounce. So that's just what I'm used to. And hopefully it'll come out okay. If not, I guess we'll just have to add more powdered sugar, but there we go. Maybe. 2/8. Okay. So we're going to cream this up. Get the spoon out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It came unplugged.
Holy crap. Hold on a sec. Just wait a minute.
All right, let's see.
Okay, now we're gonna add, I don't know, a cup full of vanilla. And cream that in there. Mix it all up. We may need a new blender or anything.
We
Or a
should-
new blender. It's an outlet. Michael.
Keep me out of this.
Yay, thank you. Maybe we weren't supposed to use 8 ounces of cream cheese. so 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're gonna start with 1 and blend that up. Jesus. Okay, and another cup of powdered sugar.
Jesus is no kidding.
Another cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna have lots of icing. Don't we always? But it's okay, it's good on cookies. Oh, for crying out loud. Sorry, something's the matter with that outlet or the
Yeah, it's the plug.
plug or something. Okay, we got 2 in there. Let's do a third. Let's just get dirty as all get out. Okay. There goes another one, and then there's another half, so I'm just gonna put it in there.
Why don't you just
now.
pour the whole bag in there while you're at it?
No, we might have to. Okay. Here we go. I think I needed a bigger hole or something. Kind of like taking a while, sorry. But it'll be good. Nothing like cream cheese icing. Okay, I'm taking this spoon and I'm going around the edges so we can make sure we get all the powdered sugar in there. Oh, get that good. Okay, nice. We're gonna wait for the cake. We're gonna clean this little dilly up. We're gonna let the cake cool down, then we're gonna ice it, and we'll be back. Are you guys ready? I told you they'd come out skitty. It's okay. Oh, shoot. One little trick is to take some icing and spread it on the cake pan that you're gonna use. Keeps the cake from sliding around. Okay, you got one there, you sucker. And of course I got it on crooked. Okay. Yay! Give up. So what we're gonna do is frost it. So it's kind of hard because it doesn't matter, it's in the middle. But you get all those green little crumbs coming. We have like a ton of frosting here. So again, whatever left, just put it in a Tupperware and put it in the refrigerator and eat it on cookies or whatever your heart likes. I like it on sugar cookies, that's good. So this is so funny. I did not know we were making a green velvet cake today. Sure wish I could get this side up. Let's see. Come on. It's so thin, it's like a pancake. It's a little cake, but it is good. Okay, so frost this guy too. And guess what? I'm not going to be able to slice it because it's for my husband's birthday tonight. And we're going to have to wait. So maybe later we'll take a picture of it for you, but we already tasted a piece of the crumb of the cake. It was good. Was it good? It was good. Okay. So you have to watch me because I tend to put like way too much icing on it. And there's no way on this earth that you can frost anything or do anything without your fingers. Around and around and around. You know what? We're not gonna have any icing left. Huh? How'd that happen? Well, that's quite peculiar. So sometimes people like to put chopped nuts on the top.
Gotta have the pecans.
Mushroom some more. I feel like a ruined horse. Very, very, very messy. So paper towels, and just wet them down, squeeze them out, and then go around the cake to where you've made the mess. Like for me, the whole daggone cake. Don't forget to get vanilla ice cream. Don't forget. All right. Oh, come on, you. Oh. Okay, good. Good enough. Sorta. Well, I've been told we're having pecans, so we are having pecans. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Do, 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 do. Wow, Merry Christmas! Love you guys. Please subscribe. I love you. Merry Christmas.